Look at that, Morgan. You're gonna slide down? Look at Taylor. Climbing to the top of the mountain. Whee! Cheese. Cheese. Say cheese. Cheese. Can I see some smiles? Morgan, can I get a smile? Yay. You say hi. You say hi to Grandma and Grandpa. Say hi. Say love you. Say hi. Hi to Aunt Becky and Aunt Rachel. And Aunt Angie. And say hi to Kaylin. Say hi to Danielle. Okay, tell everyone bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye, Taylor.